It's a video. Oh. What does that mean? I don't know. I think it means you're running low on memory.
No.
Oh, yeah, probably. Remember? Because the last time I did that, it said low memory. My stomach hurts. Sing, guys!
That's too hard to do fast. Okay. The old school. Remember? Okay. This is the beginning like. Remember that? Is that 94 hours? Yeah. David and I used to walk around in school. That's too hard to do though.
Don't forget the slam.
Do a flam, Tyler. Flam.
Don't forget the slam.
Play it back. Wait, no.
Andrew.
No, wait, don't.
Smell.
Weird?
Aww.
Like flake?
Aww. That was cute. I wish I got a picture of that. I'm going to do a still picture of them.
Whoa.
Go away.
Go ride, dude. Looks like you got like